How to remove group photo on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove group photo on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click select any group you want, like this one, and then click these 3 points here in the top corner, and now click group info and answer here. Now just click this pen icon in the top corner and then click this one here and click remove this one, and that's it. Then click save. Here is it, and I hope that can help you. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.